Hey guys, Nate here with ECHOGEAR to bring you just the tech tips on how you can support your local bar. Alright, so there's two main ways you can mount your soundbar. You can either go directly to the wall, or you could hang it from your TV mount like this one here from ECHOGEAR. Some advantages to connecting it to your TV mount. It moves with your TV. It hangs out in front of your TV, so if you have a Dolby Atmos bar that fires sound upward, your TV doesn't restrict that sound. It comes with depth adjustable brackets. You can loosen this screw. Will support different sizes of sound bars. The brackets also come with a lip in the front here to make sure that your sound bar doesn't slide off the front edge. Make sure it's nice and secure so you can enjoy sounds coming from your television. Hot tip. As you can see, the soundbar mount comes with a bunch of different holes that will line up with the same holes that your TV mount will be installed to. So I recommend installing at the same time as your TV mount to avoid extra steps. Do you like hardware? Because we got it. This soundbar mount also comes with everything you need to install. No trips to the hardware store.